Hi, what's up, Stellar XLM holder? So, what's going on? Today video is going to be very special for all of you, definitely, because Stellar XLM will get a very good profit, and I am so happy. I'm very excited because my brother every coin will thumbs up. So, therefore, I am a holder of 11, 12, I think 12 coins holder now, my friends. So, therefore, I am very happy to my all coin, my friends, will moving upward, pumps up. So, therefore, the price is increasing now. So, congratulations, all of you, if your coin is moving upward. Definitely, my friend, I will give you advice. Remember, to this is not a financial video. I just give you advice and just share my opinion. Please research personally before you take a any decision. So this time, my friend, the price of Stellar XLM is very cheap now. So definitely, I decide to invest more, but just in only, my friend, not in September, my friend. So just in only at the end of September, I am going, my friends, to sell it more. But please, holder, remember to when you will need, my friends, to earn money now, just in only invest in Stellar XLM, my friend, because this is a one of the good coin. They will give you a very good profit in very short time. So I invest for a short time in Stellar XLM, and they will give me a very good profit. So therefore, I'm very impressed from Stellar XLM, and definitely thanks for CEO of Stellar XLM. Today will work very hard, and they will give us a very good profit. Kindly, holder, in those days, my friend, the CEO of Stellar XLM was said, my friends, to upcoming time, I think the price will more increasing because we will go into, my friends, collaborate with a lot of companies. So if they will collaborate, my friends, so definitely the CEO thing was very, my friends, hard now. So if they will say to in upcoming time the price will increasing, so 100% it's increased now. Kindly, holder, if you want to get a profit in very short time now, why you are missing this chance, please take a risk and get a profit. I am 100% sure, my friends, to in those days they will give you a very good profit. See you next time, holder. The price will pump up. I already predicted this coin. Please just and only do this. I will give you 100% guarantee, but please research personally before you take any decision. See you next time. Please like video and subscribe channel.